Have you ever tried to create a swinging animation only to find it doesn't move quite right? It's frustrating, isn't it? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to limit the movement of two anchored lines so they swing like a pendulum. I totally get it. You want your lines to swing smoothly from side to side, but instead, they just inch a bit sideways. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges when working with animations. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I make two lines anchored to a sprite swing like a pendulum, always moving from 45 degrees to the left and right of their initial position?" If this sounds familiar, let's dive into the solution together. So, what could be causing the issue? The problem often lies in how the physics, joints, and angular limits are set up. We'll break it down step by step so you can achieve that smooth, swinging motion. And stick around. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you perfect your swinging animation and make it look even more realistic. To achieve the desired pendulum effect, the user should first ensure that the physics bodies of the arms are set up correctly. This includes defining the anchor points and ensuring they are dynamic. Next, the user should create pin joints between the anchor sprite and each arm. This will allow the arms to swing from the anchor point. After setting up the joints, the user should enable angle limits on the pin joints. This will restrict the arms to swing within a specific range, creating the pendulum effect. Finally, the user should implement a consistent swinging motion. This can be achieved by using a sequence of actions that rotate the arms back and forth. Did you know? The concept of a pendulum was first studied by Galileo in the late 1500s. He discovered that the time it takes for a pendulum to swing is independent of its amplitude. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests creating a custom scaction for a pendulum effect. This involves defining an extension that allows you to specify the swing angle and period. The action starts with a gentle rotation, followed by a continuous swinging motion. Here's the pro tip I promised. Experiment with different angular limits and action durations to find the perfect swing speed and feel for your animation. And there you have it. Your lines should now swing smoothly like a pendulum. Remember, tweaking those physics settings is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on enhancing your animations.